Good job. How about this one? Oh. How about letter X? Oh. Okay, so if we combine this one, ox, ox, ox. Read it fast. Ox. Box. Good job. So another great job star for you. Very good. Next, Julia, it's your turn. Here. So we have here the letter F. Good job. It's okay. And then we have O and X. So if you combine these two, we have the sound ox. Ox. So let's combine. We have ox. 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 Read it fast. What is the word, Julia? Ox. Ox. You can do it. The word is fox. Very good. Great job. Fox. Next, Giana, your turn. This one. Again? Fox. Good job. Fox. Great job, Star. Next. Very good. Okay, very good. Kiarah, your turn.